Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday over here at the studio. And honestly, it has been the most magical morning ever. For those of you who have been following along, I was sharing that Joy, who is one of our co-workers, but also more like family, gave birth this morning to a very, very healthy, beautiful baby girl named Jocelyn. So we are beyond excited. Amazing news to wake up to. So congratulations to the Gathers family, adding another perfect addition to their amazing, beautiful family. So we have another foodie. We have another Temp-tationista on our hands. So we couldn't be more happier. God bless to them and their brand new, beautiful little baby. Beyond healthy, adorable, and just a blessing, truly. So, super excited. Okay, so hopping on, saying good morning to everyone. Good morning, Monica. Good morning, Samantha. Good morning, Angela. I just got myself really choked up. So I'm just going to bring it back a little bit. Hey, Tracy. Hey, Olivia. Happy Sunday. We are over in the kitchen with David, getting ready to share with you our soup and sandwich. I think I saw Lisa Lasorte on the board. Lisa is up in Canada sharing Temp-tations up there as well. And it just so happens that it's like the same item. So when does that ever happen? So really exciting that we, of course, can share Temp-tations not only here with all of you, but to our Canadian friends as well. Good morning, Jen. Jen, you and I need to talk, my friend. You are amazing. That poem is incredible. Thank you. Loved seeing it. Loved sharing it. MC.
Hi, everybody. How's it going?
Oh,
Happy
wow.
Sunday.
Wow. I was just telling them.
Sweetie.
Hi. Mwah. I was just telling them all about Joy.
Oh,
And Jocelyn.
Great news. Yay, Jocelyn's here.
So everybody's like, yay,
Joy.
team Gathers. Yay, team Gathers.
We love her.
Oh,
We
amazing.
love her. I know.
Amazing.
Okay.
All right,
Bye,
bye.
guys.
I'll come see you.
Okay.
Did you bring me a Dunkin'?
No, but you
Just kidding. Just kidding. We do that quite often every Sunday, which is so nice. I love him, by the way, if you didn't know that. He's the bestest. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, Tanya. Good morning, Becky. Hey, Kathy. Hi. Lisa says, hi, MC. So anyway, we are sharing Temp-tations up with our Canadian friends as well. We also share in Germany, which is very exciting. And, we just, if it were up to me, we'd be in every home around the world. We should make that our mission. Okay, so what do we have today? Super excited. Couple of things. So we have our soup and sandwiches. We're in the middle of getting our table ready. I just wanted to hop on and say hello and show you that we are back, that our soup and sandwiches are back just in time, which I love. Stay with me, because guess what we have? Oh, Ed Tesher's on the board. Hello, my honey. Ed is with our sons, and he's at the Eagles-Jets game today. So, we're in Philadelphia, so I'm supposed to say go Eagles, but my husband is a huge Jets fan, and so is the family. So, yay, football. So look what we have today. We are debuting our holiday in our soup and sandwich, and we also did it on our poinsettia, which we love. And then, of course, all of the regular colors. As many of you know, these sell out all the time. So just a full warning, just wanted to let you know we kind of have, I think, almost every color back in stock. That's a cute candy and candle idea. Isn't that sweet, Mary? Let me take you back over there. I have to say, I love using these as entertaining tips because they're just easy. For me, the plate almost becomes a mini tray, and I love the silhouette. Ed, everybody's saying good morning. Everybody's saying hi. You better get on it. Reply back. Oh, he's sending hearts. Do you see his little hearts? And Grace said, go Jets. So there you go. Poinsettia already sold out in Canada, huh, Lise? Oh, MC, everybody's saying hi to you. What? Ooh, oh, I'm getting yelled at because I'm too loud. Surprise face, by the way. That is a live studio, so they're literally right behind me, and I'm like, ah! So sorry. Okay, I'm going to quiet down a little bit. Isn't this adorable? Tray with your candies that we did in the little soup bowl, and then, of course, one of those Luminera. I don't know if you saw those today, special values. I bought 2 sets, the gray and the white. I'm so excited to mix them around. I have some little motifs I want to do and cute little things I want to tuck them in. This I just love. Baking in here. Oh, hello. Nice and sticky. Let's get to it. baking right in there, which I love. See that? And when there's stuff on the side, you just literally wipe it away. Bake in there. You can hollow that up, put the berries inside there. Love that. And then again, slice right on there and serve it. Your brownies, all the different candies. And then I love this. We just put right in here Farmer John's popcorn. And I thought that was really cute for maybe like a little date night or just a cute little gift. You can pop the popcorn. Then you have your little popcorn bowl and whatever else you want to put on the trays. So yes, it is a great day for Temp-tations, welcoming our new family member, Jocelyn, which we're all very excited about. New team gathers, new Temp-tationista. I have the blue old world set. Oh, awesome. Oh, hi, Ed. Hi, MC from Tracy. Tracy's on the board. That's my sister, if y'all don't know. I love when she pops on. Oh, Amy World. Did you guys see? I was just out in Colorado. Actually, yesterday, as a matter of fact, flew in last night, landed at 11, got home, took a quick sleep, and here I am back at it. Had the most amazing time with her and my godson and goddaughter. And we went, dip, hooray. Lisa, you're so subtle. I'm going to be, Mr. Venable doesn't know this, but I am going to share the dips with him today. Live and in living color, but I'm going to keep it a secret. He loves when I do that. So we are getting ready for the big show. We are on around 1:45 Eastern time. And can I just say, sorry, I cannot be live with you. I know, Aim. It's kind of, she was so cute. We were doing live yesterday, right from downtown Denver. And she's like, this is so fun because all of you pop on and you're so genuinely sweet. And you make our whole day. I miss you already. I miss you too, friend. It was great to see you, even if it was only 48 hours. We need to do that more. It's very hard when your best friend of 23 years lives, out in Colorado. But the good news is you get a great excuse to fly out there and see her. I like the new packaging. Ooh, on the dips. Very excited to share the dips with you. They're actually going to be launching on the Cook event October 13th. So stay tuned for all of that. You're going to get a set of 6. Awesome flavors, great things to do with them. They're not just dips. They're actually so much more. And I'm going to give him a little sneak peek today at them. So tune in if you can around 1:45. And remember, we have our soup and sandwich in all of your favorite staple colors. And then brand new today, we are debuting our holiday, but just letting you know we don't have a ton of those to go around. And then same thing with our poinsettia if you wanted something a little more not as whimsical as the tree. Okay, I'm very loud. I need to go because they're literally right here. I'm getting the stink eye. I'm gonna go this way. Let's go out in the hall. Let's go out in the hall so I can say goodbye. Okay, so hopefully I can see all of you then. And you've been following along with us. We're beyond excited. And we will see you at like 1:45 Eastern. Okay, bye everybody.